조심히 내려와요. 아이고 잘하네.
Hi guys! About a week ago, I went for a walk to the nearest park with my girl, Haneul, and she happened to see some kids kicking a ball excitedly because she looked so enviously at the children playing with the ball. I'm going to buy one for her today. And also, I want to know what kinds of toys are suitable for 2-year-old babies like her. She seems to be very tired of playing with the same things every day, especially because she spent most of her time in the house for weeks because of the coronavirus. So, I'm going to visit a large toy store today. Have you ever visited in Korea? Would you like to take a look around with me? And let's talk about some expressions and words related to toys as well. Especially in this video, there's an interesting fact that I found about Korean toy names. Today's expressions are 흔들말, 붕붕카, 통통볼, 양궁, 탐정, 싱싱카, and 탱탱볼. Don't miss it!
Hello, I'm Boli, and it's Boli's Korean.
Wow, Haneul, there are so many toys here, right? Do you have anything in your mind? Go wherever you want to go. What? That one? Of all these thousands of toys? Okay, that's what makes you dance and call your mom, right? Honestly, if what Haneul wants isn't too expensive, I wanted to buy one for her, but I'm pretty sure they don't sell this, right? This extinguisher. I probably need to get away from here so that she can follow me and get away from that fire extinguisher. Everyone, run with me. Move, move. Wow, that pineapple swimming ring is so cute. But we can't be sure we are able to enjoy this summer, right? Also, the price is not as pretty as it looks. Pass. Unidentified egg bags. Pass. Ever since I started a Korean channel, wherever I see Hangul games, they capture my attention. I wish I could share this stuff with you guys. On the right side, there are rocking horses and rides. You know what? Actually, I already dealt with the word for ride before, but I will humbly accept that most of you will not be aware of it. Yes, I'm an unpopular YouTuber. Who cares? I do. Nevertheless, for a very small number of you guys who may be curious about what it was, I will link to the video, so if interested, please click the link and check it out. Anyway, what are the Korean names of rocking horses and rides? They are 흔들말, 흔들말, and 붕붕카, 붕붕카, respectively. By the way, there is one thing that I realized while I was looking around here. That is, there's so many toy names in Korea that are made by adding Korean sound and an English word like 붕붕카. Ka is an English word, of course, and 붕붕 here is the sound of a car running. We originally say 부릉부릉, 부릉부릉 when you want to make the sound for a running car, and 붕붕 is the abbreviation version of it, or a cute version that kids say. And the Korean name of hoverboards is 통통볼, 통통볼. I guess most of you have noticed that 볼 is English. But what does 통통 mean? 통통 is the sound that the ball makes when it bounces. We describe it like 통, 통통. I'm not saying this because I'm Korean, but honestly, aren't these toy names really cute? Oh, I really want this trampoline. I will definitely buy it for Haneul someday soon. How cute! I found something else while looking around this store. Apparently, the names of these toys are written in Korean, and after reading them, they turned to English. 더블 하우스 볼 텐트, 더블 하우스 볼 텐트, 에어짐, 에어짐, 스포츠 볼 세트, 스포츠 볼 세트, 에듀펀 액티브 큐브, 에듀펀 액티브 큐브, 퍼니팜, funny farm. Do you think Korean people can speak English well? Don't look down us. We speak English naturally in our daily lives like this. We just wrote it in Korean. As you see, almost all Koreans are bilinguals. Can you tell? Oh, this is a toy that Haneul has never seen before. Let me read the name written here. 양궁 세트. 양궁 세트. Of course, you know what set is, right? What about 양궁? 양궁 means archery, as you might guess. Oh, if I were a child, I'd want to try this. Can you see the person holding this magnifying glass? I've been always curious about detectives like Sherlock Holmes since young. So, what is a detective in Korean? It's 탐정, 탐정. And the name of this stuff is 탐정 스케치북 세트. 탐정 sketchbook set. That you don't need any more explanation. Wow, that pink scooter is so cute. Excuse me, can you have a double exercised bike for a small adult? Oh, this is also one of the candidates that I'm thinking of buying for Haneul, whose name is 싱싱카. 싱싱카. What we need here is just the meaning of 싱싱, right? 싱싱 is the sound of something running fast. That's mainly used for bicycles. Ta-da! I've gone through the whole place here and finally found you. Hello, rubber birds. Can you tell us your name again? It's 탱탱볼. 탱탱볼. 탱탱볼 is similar to 통통볼, the hopper birds we looked at earlier, right? Both 탱탱 and 통통 are the sounds of bounces. But while 통통 is the sound for a relatively bigger ones, 탱탱 is for a relatively smaller ones. What's more, almost every kid has a 탱탱볼 in her or his house. So, 탱탱볼 is the one we use much more in our daily lives. Now it's time for us to go and kick the ball. Thank you for joining me on my toy store tour today. Have a toy-free day, everyone. Bye! 뽕! 또? 옳지! 다시 주세요. 엄마한테 다시 주세요.